Do you want to turn off profile views on TikTok? You can remove profile views on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off profile views on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, tap on Privacy from the list of options. Now, scroll down and tap on Viewers under the Interactions section. A new screen will appear with the Profile View History toggle. Turn off the toggle switch to disable profile views. Now, people won't be able to see that you viewed their profiles, and you also won't be able to see who viewed yours.